big die-cast tender, the coal dump car, the crane car, the barrel car, the log car, and a caboose. Works. You're not centered on the tray. It's a messy one. It's a messy one. The coal gets everywhere. That's why we got the big envelope in there. Accident, are we good? The E unit's sticking again. Hang on a minute. All right, put the other tray in, Colton, and make the barrels spill out. Good job. All right, let's pull the train forward. Again, E unit's sticking a little bit, but other than that, it's beautiful. There we go, and the logs work too. All aboard. Should we dump the coal car again? All right, hang on a minute. Associate here is 5 years old. He runs trains with me all the time, and he's loading the log car up. Now he's going to load the barrel car up. And I just loaded the coal car up. Again, having two trays lets us dump the coal first, move it out of the way so we're not getting it all over everything.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Are you ready to dump?
Yeah.
Dump. All right, coal dump. That's good. Okay, move your trail. Move. Oops, we're uncoupled. Did it couple? All right, move your tray. Put your other tray under there, and we'll dump our logs. Or dump our barrels first. Okay, barrel dump. All right, good job. Here come the logs. Make sure your tray is centered. Don't let them fall. Don't let them come out of the tray. Where's your tray at? Your tray's not centered where your car is at. There you go. All right, log time. All right, all aboard.